Here's the deal, gang. You asked for more Milwaukee Tool Deals? Well, we got what you want. We got BOGO, we got Bear Tool Deals, we got hoodies, we got a pack-out deal, we got E-Rebates, and it's all coming right up after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. If you'd like to help out with the channel, consider visiting our merch store. As the kids say, it's fire. Link will be in the description below. Welcome back. My name is Vince. It's nice to see y'all. Links are in the description for you to follow along. First up are the E-Rebate Deals. Get the Milwaukee Red Lithium USB heated gloves, and Milwaukee Tool's going to throw in a magnetic light. Get the M12 inspection camera, and Milwaukee throws in an additional 3-foot inspection cable. Pick up drain cleaning tools from this page, and Milwaukee will throw in all manner of goodies depending on what you pick up. Grab the M12 auger kit and score an additional pipe wrench. Get the heated gear you've been wanting, and Milwaukee throws in a beanie to keep your head warm, because everyone knows that 45% of your body heat is lost through your head. Grab the M18 pipe threader. Milwaukee Tool kicks in and gives you the M18 Fuel compact dual trigger bandsaw. Remember, all the bonus items are filled directly from Milwaukee Tool, which means you'll need to fill out the redemption on the E-Rebates page. Link is in the description. Next up, we got a couple of solid little deals before we move on to the hard hitters. 2 fastbacks with an additional 50 blades, $14.97. Spend $250 plus in drain cables, get a Milwaukee hoodie. Buy one of these M12 stripper kits and get a free M12 light. Get the M18 stripper kit and get a magnetic M18 rover light. Buy the M18 chainsaw kit and get a free Milwaukee searchlight. Buy a 2-pack shaker of 5 amp-hour batteries and get your choice of free Bear tool. Buy the Milwaukee M18 Brushless, Cordless hammer, drill, and circular saw 2-tool combo kit at $349, and they'll throw in a compact brushless impact driver. Go big dog style with the Fuel Combo Kit, which is Milwaukee's most powerful and very compact hammer drill and impact driver, and you'll get your choice of free Bear tool. We got a BOGO deal. Buy one MX Fuel kit from this page and get a second one half off. That's crazy. You're looking to get organized? Well, keep your eyes open on the next 2 deals. Buy 2 of Milwaukee's job site organizers, and they'll throw in a 3rd one for free. And this is the one y'all been waiting for. Build your own pack-out stack. Grab the cooler box or the XL pack-out, and your choice of one of these 3 boxes or accessories for pack-out. And they're going to throw in the Milwaukee Pack-Out Worktop. Man, that worktop is so versatile. And if you want to know all the jobs you can do with it, then go to this video right here. These deals will run till Cyber Monday or when they sell out. And Milwaukee Tool Deals have been real thin lately, so it's a good possibility that they'll sell out way before. So get on them and don't miss out. Any deal we showed in this video should ship free as long as you spend $99 or more. Below $99, you're going to pay shipping. Sorry. Ohio Power Tool has stellar customer service, so if you do experience any glitches not in your favor, email or give them a call first. For some crazy reason they won't help you and you want to be discreet about it, then direct message us on Twitter. If you're not the discreet type, then put them on blast in the comments. Let the chips fall where they may. But frankly, I've never experienced one of the gang reaching out to OPT and them not making it right. And if you like when retailers look out for their customers, then smash the like button. It's free for you to do, helps out the channel immensely, plus you'll get 7 years of good luck. And while you're down there, make sure you crack the bell, because I've been told there will be some flash sales from OPT during the holiday shopping season. You ain't going to want to miss them. And if you hung around this long, you'll get a say in which flash sales happen by leaving what you want down in the comments section below.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy, and you're here in the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.